Ready to unlock powerful insights into your Typeform submissions using Google Tag Manager. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your Typeform is published and ready to go. This is the form you'll want to track next, and this is very important. Log into your Google Tag Manager account and select the container associated with your website. We'll begin by creating a trigger that fires when a user successfully submits our Typeform. Click on Triggers in the left-hand navigation, and then click New. We'll want to name this trigger something you'll remember, such as Typeform Submission. Now, it's time to select a trigger type. Click on Trigger Configuration. Choose the custom event trigger type from the list. This trigger allows us to listen for specific events, in this case, a successful form submission. In the event name field, you'll need to specify the event that Typeform triggers upon submission. This is unique to each website, and in order to find it, you'll have to inspect the code of your site after a submission is made. Don't hesitate to reach out to your developer if you're unsure. Then choose all custom events. Alright, let's set up the corresponding tag. Head over to Tags and click New just like before. Give your tag a descriptive name, like Typeform Submission Google Analytics. Next, you'll want to configure your tag. Click within Tag Configuration. Choose the Google Analytics GA for event tag type. In the Configuration tag dropdown, select your Google Analytics configuration tag. Input your desired event name. You'll likely want something helpful like Typeform_submission. Finally, click on Triggering. Select the Typeform submission trigger you just created. Save your changes, and you're almost done. Test your setup by submitting a test form in your Typeform. Then, preview your Google Tag Manager container and check if everything is configured correctly. Once you're satisfied, publish your container and start tracking those valuable form submissions to gain insights into user behavior.